The Vinyl4 Business, full automatic contour cutting vinyl cutter from AM.CO.za has just arrived. Let's go through the basic setup to get you going. The first thing to change in the menu is the language, so press Setup. Then use the F button to get to language, and then press the V buttons to choose the language you want. English in this case, and press Origin to confirm. Now press the Reset button, and then the machine will reinitialize. Pressing the offline button allows you to manually move the cutting head. You can now insert the blade. Make sure the tip of the blade just exits the unit, and then tighten it with the gold ring. Insert it into the blade holder on the cutting head and tighten. Right, now do a blade test, click test. Take a look at the outcome. If you need to adjust the force and the speed, you can do so with the arrow buttons. And then test again. Once you're happy with the test, click test again. Now we can download the software from cncu.co.za. Go to Blade Cutters, Software, VinylCut. Then scroll down to the bottom and select the latest Vinyl Cut install file. Go through the installation process and then open VinylCut 5 on your computer. Now open the image you want to cut and click on Cutter. If you want to cut from a flash drive, choose Save to File. Give it a name and click on Add Registration Marks. Then click on Save. Insert the flash drive into the machine. Now in the menu, press Setup and use the up and down buttons to select the image on the flash drive, and then press Origin. Click on Offline and manually move the cutting head into the general position of the first registration mark. So now click Origin, and the machine will automatically pick up the registration marks and start cutting. If you want to cut directly from the computer, in the software, go to Cutter. Make sure you have the correct model selected, and simply press Cut. The machine will automatically pick up the registration marks and start cutting. For more information on the Vinyl4 Business, full automatic contour cutting vinyl cutter from am.co.za, just call sales.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC rotors, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montenegro Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi 020 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za. Achievement Matters.